Good evening, students. Welcome back to our BSc first year physics class. In last lecture, we discussed about the scalar triple product, that is A dot B cross C, which is equal to the determinant of A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. It is simply scalar quantity. It is a simply determinant of all the ijk components of A, vector B and vector C. Now today we are going to solve some numerical problems depends on scalar triple product. Okay. First problem, so that the 4.6 minus 7 0, 16 minus 19 minus 4, 0, 3 minus 6, 2 minus 5, 10 lies on a same plane. We have to show that all these points lies on a same plane. How? That we have to show that. Let us consider vector A is having point 6 minus 7 0, vector B with 16 minus 19 minus 4, vector C is 0, 3 minus 6 and vector D is 2 minus 5, 10. We have to show that 4 points A, B, C, D lies on a same plane. We have to prove that a vector AB, vector AC and vector AD, vector AB, vector AC and vector AD are a coplanar, that we have to show that, where vector AB is equal to OB minus OA. O is the origin, OB minus OA. OB is nothing but 16 minus 19 minus 4 and OA is minus 6i minus 7j. It gives 10i minus 12j minus 4k, 10i minus 12j minus 4k. And AC, vector AC is OC minus vector AC is equal to OC minus OA, which is equal to minus 6i plus 10j minus 6k. How? Because vector C is 0, 3 minus 6 minus 6 minus 7, 0. It gives minus 6i plus 10j minus 6k. Vector AD is equal to OD minus OA minus 4i plus 2j plus 10k. Now, if the scalar triple product is 0, it shows that all the three vectors are coplanar, or all the vectors lies in a same plane. That we have to show that. We have three vectors, vector AB, vector AC and vector AD, which is equal to determinant of 10 minus 12 minus 4 minus 6, 10 minus 6 minus 4, 2, 10. If we solve this determinant, 10 into 10 in bracket 10 into 10 minus into minus plus 6 into 2, 12, 100 minus 100 plus 12, 112 into 10. Similarly, minus 12 into 6 minus 6 into 10 minus 6 into minus 4. Similarly, plus minus 4 into minus 6 into 2 plus 10 into 4. If we solve that determinant, finally we will get scalar triple product is equal to 0. It means what? Therefore, the three vectors, vector AB, vector AC and vector AD are a coplanar. Hence, all the 4 points A, B, C and D lies on a plane. Okay. By using a scalar triple product, we can show that three vectors are a coplanar. if the determinant is 0. Okay. Next, evaluate 2i minus 3j dot in bracket I plus j minus k into cross product 3i minus k. Means a simply scalar triple product is there. First, if we write that determinant 2 minus 3 0, k component is 0 about a vector A. In vector B, x component is 1, y component is plus 1, and k component is, z component is minus 1. Similarly, for vector C, I component is 3, j component is 0, k component is minus 1. If we solve this determinant, 2 into 1 minus minus 1 minus 0 minus 2 is there, minus plus plus 3 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 3, and third one is the 0 because 0 into something is 0. Then the value of determinant is 4. Okay. Now there is another method is there. First we can solve that cross product, that is I plus j minus k cross 3i minus k. Then we take dot product with 2i minus 3j, which is equal to 2i minus 3j dot 3i cross I minus I cross j plus 3j cross I minus j cross k minus 3k cross I plus k cross k. If we solve that cross product, we get minus I minus 2j minus 3k. 2i minus 3j dot minus I minus 2j minus 3k. If we take the dot product, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 is there, plus minus 3 into minus 2 6 is there, and plus 0 into minus 3 0 is there, means minus 2 plus 6 it gives 4. Means you can solve by using this method also and by using this method, the answer will be same. Then next, if vector A is 2i plus 3j plus 4k, vector B is I plus 2j minus k, and vector C is 3i minus j plus 2k, then find out the determinant or find out the scalar triple product. A dot b cross C is equal to 2 into 3 4 1 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2. If we solve this determinant, 2 remains as it is, 2 into 2 4 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 4 minus 1 minus 3 2 1 into 2 2 minus minus 1 into 3 minus minus plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 into minus 1 minus 6, 4 into 4 minus 1 3 3 into 2 6 is there, minus 3 plus 2 5 into 3 15, 6 minus 15 minus 28, which is equal to minus 9 minus 28, it gives minus 37. The scalar triple product of a 3 vector gives the volume of a parallelepiped. Therefore, the volume of parallelepiped is 37 cubic unit. 37 cubic unit. In this way, we can find out the volume of a parallelepiped also. Then next, shows that a vector A is equal to minus 4i minus 6j minus 2k. Vector B is minus I plus 4j plus 3k, and vector C is minus I 8I minus j plus 3k are a coplanar. Coplanar means what? The scalar triple product of three vector, vector A, vector B and vector C are 0. Therefore, if you find out the determinant or scalar triple product A, B, C is equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, where vector A is minus 4I minus 6j minus 2k, vector B is minus I plus 4j plus 3k, vector C is minus 8I minus j plus 3k. If we substitute that value minus 4, minus 6, minus 2, minus 1, 4, 3, minus 8, minus 1, 3, if we solve that determinant, which is equal to minus 4 into, in bracket 4 into 3 minus, in bracket minus 1 into 3, bracket close, minus into minus 6, it become a plus 6, minus 1 into 3 minus minus 8 into 3 plus minus 2 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus 8 into 4, it gives minus 4 in bracket 12 plus 3 plus 6 into minus 3 plus 24 minus 2 in bracket 1 plus 32. If we solve this, 12 plus 3, it gives 15. 15 into 4 minus 60 or plus 21 into 6, 21 into 6, it gives 126 minus 2 into 33, it gives 66. If we add and subtract all these values, then determinant is 0. It shows that vector A, B, C are a coplanar. Vector A, B, C are the coplanars. Okay. Now, some numerical problems for your practice also. You have to solve this problem and write down the final answer in comment section. Vector A is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k, vector B is equal to 3I plus 2j plus k, vector C is equal to 4I plus j plus 2k. A vector dot product, a scalar triple product is A dot B cross C is equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, where A1 is equal to 1, A2 is equal to 2, A3 is equal to 3, B1 is equal to 3, B2 is equal to 2, B3 is equal to 1, C1 is equal to 4, C2 is equal to 1, C3 is equal to 2. If we substitute that value, tell me the final answer in comment section. This is one problem for homework, for your practice. Second numerical. We have to show that all these three vectors are coplanar. You have to show that if we take the scalar triple product of these three vectors is equal to 0, then we can show that all these three vectors are coplanar. Vector A is equal to 2I minus j plus 3k, vector B is equal to 3I plus 2j plus k, vector C is equal to I plus pj plus 4k, means these three vectors are coplanar. On that basis, we have to find out the value of this p. If these three vectors are coplanar, means what? Determinant is equal to 0, means right hand side is 0. We have to find out the constant p value. Just solve this determinant and tell me the value of p in comment section. Okay. Any doubt regarding these numericals, you can ask me and solve these two practice problem and write down the answer in comment section. I will check. Thank you.